Modern engines are more powerful, more efficient, and somehow failing faster than ever. To meet emissions and fuel economy targets, automakers downsized engines and added turbochargers. Sounds great, until you realize these smaller engines are now working much harder. Higher pressure, higher temperatures, and tighter tolerances mean more stress on every component. Modern engines use ultra-thin oils like 0W20 to reduce friction and improve efficiency. But thinner oil also means less protection under extreme conditions. Combine that with tighter tolerances, and even slight neglect can lead to accelerated wear. Direct fuel injection improves performance, but it also causes carbon buildup on intake valves. Without fuel washing over them, deposits accumulate over time, reducing efficiency and causing misfires. And let's not forget extended service intervals. Skipping maintenance to save time? That's a shortcut to engine failure. Modern engines aren't weaker, they're just less forgiving. Treat them right or pay the price. Smaller turbo engines mean more stress. Thinner oil reduces protection. Direct injection causes carbon buildup. And longer service intervals increase risk. Maintain smart, and your engine will last.